couple grosbeaks on the jelly thing. One now, I guess. Go on, get it, boy. Pretty boy. Truck's sitting there, but as usual, I need to move my book before it blows away. Excuse me. I moved my book. They love that peanut, those peanut cakes. And the jelly. That's the neighbor's fence, or our fence, but the neighbor's lot over there with a couple of an RV and then a trailer. Yep. Got happy birds. I put out their peanut and their jelly, so I tell you, it's a peanut cake. And then there's jelly on that feeder, so I tell them, I've got your peanut butter and jelly. They're so cute. Yeah, looks like a male and female finch. Ooh. I haven't had one of these peanut cakes out for a few days, so you can tell when it hasn't been there, they come to it quick. And even the pigeons are walking over. There's one of my brown-headed cowbirds. Did you hear that call? That real whistly, high-pitched? It's a brown-headed cowbird. Let's see if they'll do it again. Where's the darn water? Shoot, I missed it. That piece of petrified wood was in my way, and I wanted to get the water bird bath there because there was that bird was on there, and I missed it. Whatever. Alright, I'll talk to you later. See you later. Have a good one. Man, the wind just caught my phone. See ya. Have a good one.